Welcome aboard our Etihad Airways flight today. Destination, Warner Brothers World, Yas Island, Abu Dhabi. A place where your imagination comes alive. Where you can meet your hero, or even become one. Experience the excitement and endless laughter as you travel at the speed of light.
What's up, dog?
On the adventure of a lifetime. Dear little VIPs, we hope you enjoy today's Etihad Airways flight. We can't wait to welcome you on your next adventure. Buckle up for a super vacation with Etihad Airways and Warner Brothers World, Yas Island, Abu Dhabi.